That's how we roll. So, Taylor,
Huh?
do you approve of Katie?
Approve Katie?
Yeah.
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 Pretty cool person.
What do you think, Curtis?
You pull out a USB for a microphone.
She's cool. What?
Yeah, what's wrong with
Ghetto
that?
TV.
That's right. That's how we roll. Don't touch. Don't touch. This was expensive. How do you feel about this? I'm not talking about her anymore. I'm just talking about this interview. You guys are both confused.
Guys, you're weird.
We're weird? We're weird?
And he said you're weird.
I'm weird. Do you think I'm weird?
Nah.
Nah.
Just confusing.
How do you feel, Kika?
Great.
Wait. I don't get why you call her Kika.
Nobody gets it.
I know.
What the hell?
Because you said, I'm going to talk to Kika earlier. I'm like,
This is Kika.
I'm Kika.
okay.
Kika.
Now we're on videotape. Let's get it straightened out. Why do everybody call her Kika?
You want to answer that, Kika?
Why not?
Why not?
That's like,
I mean, don't you guys have nicknames?
yeah.
I don't have a nickname.
Another one, look.
We need to make him a nickname.
Who, him?
Yeah.
It won't stick.
He doesn't need one.
Your stick?
I said it won't
Oh,
stick.
I think you said your
Think we should call him Tiny T because he's like the opposite?
Tiny T.
He's going to come back. You have to have a story behind it.
Because Tiny T's are really like... No, Tiny T's are like really like, you know, thongs and shit. It's just funny because you're not tiny, you're like hella tall, so Tiny T and your name's Taylor.
I'm trying to say something else.
We'll let you figure it out.
What are we trying to say?
I don't know. You tell me.
How do you feel
I tried.
about his nickname?
It's not gonna work.
Hey,
Why?
you got a story behind it.
I just told you the story.
You just made a story. It's not like
Oh my god, it's not that easy to make a story like that. Like,
And if I ain't busy,
that
really
took a lot of
hard.
work. You know what? You better pull it out.
Not all
This
there.
one because it took a lot of work in it out.
exactly. Case closed.